Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $5,000 a month on Google. And this is a all profits, a non-expense business model through Google, as well as a few other tools that I'm going to provide for you for free in this step-by-step video. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you can really make good profits from this business model with Google, and that you can really set up a good income for yourself. And with this method you are going to be able to set up a full-time income with this very simple strategy. And I'm going to keep this method nice and simple and easy for you so you can really benefit from this and you can make a full-time income using this very simple strategy. You do not need any money to get started with this method. You don't need any experience, as you will know exactly what to do and how to earn after this video. And there are people making up to 6 figures per year doing this simple method. And this is a worldwide method that you can do from anywhere in the world with your mobile phone or laptop, and as long as you have an internet connection. And by the end of this video you will know exactly what to do with this powerful and profitable strategy and exactly how to maximize your profits. And you will also be able to get started immediately without spending a single cent, and you will also be provided with all the free tools needed to do this, which will make it even easier for you. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the Google Chrome web store, and you obviously need to have Google Chrome for that, so definitely recommend that browser for the strategy. So what you want to do is you want to go to google.com and you can go Google Chrome web store. It'll pop up in the first tab or on the first page up top here, and what you want to search is Facebook Pixel Helper. This is a free extension or plugin for Google Chrome, and it is essential for this method. And you can put Facebook Pixel Helper in the search bar on the Google Chrome web store, and you'll see the first one will pop up, offered by Facebook. What you want to do is you want to click on it and you want to go add to Chrome in the top right. I have already added it to Chrome, so let's get started with this method. And once the extension has been added to your browser, your Chrome browser, you will see in the top right of your browser there is a little HTML icon or logo, and you will see that the Facebook Pixel Helper has been successfully installed. And once the Facebook Pixel has been successfully installed on Google Chrome, what you want to do is you want to open up a Google in a new tab or window, and you want to search any location. It can be anywhere in the world, whether it's in your own country or in the States, in Australia, wherever it may be. And in this example I'm going to use New York. And after this you want to search any business name, any business niche, such as physiotherapy, dentistry, photography, whatever it may be, any business niche. And I'm just going to use physiotherapy as an example in this video. And once you have this Google search open, you want to open up as many or a couple of these businesses' websites. So for example, I'm going to use the Manhattan Physio Group. And what you're going to notice on their website, if you go over to your Facebook Pixel Helper extension, you can see no pixels found on www.manhattanphysiogroup.com. This means this is a website we can help and essentially earn money from. And if I also open up Brooklyn Physiotherapy, NYC's orthopedic manual website, you can see they also do not have a Facebook pixel. So this means we can help this business too and essentially earn money through this business. And what this means is these businesses are lacking in the Facebook department and need help with that. And you will see on a website like symbiophysiotherapy.com, a therapy or therapist in New York has a Facebook pixel. You'll see it has a little number icon on the Chrome extension, and you will see it's got its Facebook Pixel ID. And what this means is this website tracks who comes on the website, makes use of emails, tracking the different clients, and prompts them with adverts on their Facebook page with regards to physiotherapy, trying to convert potential viewers into sales. And this is how we are going to help these businesses today and earn from this. Make sure to keep watching this video so you can understand exactly how to do this and earn good money through this method. A lot of people may be visiting these websites. So for example, as a viewer, they may come to First Services, they might have a look at what this practice or physiotherapy group has to offer. They might read a little bit about it, they might leave the website and forget about it. And this is where these businesses are missing out, and this is where you as a viewer are going to make use of this strategy to essentially earn good money from this Google strategy or Google business strategy. And what we are going to do is we are going to take advantage of the Facebook pixel, and what we are going to do is we are going to install a Facebook pixel on these websites, which is super easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a bit. And what we'll be doing is we'll be running simple and professional retargeted ads for these businesses where we will essentially get paid good money for this, because in return this business is going to get more viewers, more clients, essentially more sales, and earn more revenue as a business. And the nice thing about running a retargeted ad, that means that the person has already viewed the business, they know about the business or the physio group. It means they are interested, so it's going to be very easy to convert this client with a retargeted ad into a sale or a conversion where the business, as I say, will essentially earn good revenue, and where you, by using this strategy, will also earn good money. And you can see here we have potentially 3 clients within 2 minutes of Google searching, and I'm sure they are tens and tens, possibly even hundreds of different physio groups or businesses in a city, never mind an entire country, and all the searching, all the businesses that you can find and help out with the strategy. And what you need to do is you need to go ahead and first contact them, and you could say something simple like, hey, I noticed you do not have a Facebook pixel on your site. I would love to schedule a call or a meeting with you, or give them an email where you say you can help them track visitors on their websites and do retargeting ads, which is going to be a super cost-effective way of marketing and retargeting adverts to potential clients that already know about your business, that we can convert into sales, because obviously they've looked at your business before, they're already interested to convert into a sale and earn more revenue for you as a business. And that retargeting is so vital to this, and that you can make a lot of money with retargeting ads, because like I said before, these people are already interested in these businesses. They may have come to the website before and they see a retargeted ad and they think to themselves, maybe I need to go to the dentist again, that reminds me, or a physiotherapist, I need to go to the physio, that reminds me. The retargeted ad reminds them, and as I say, will convert them into a sale. And the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to ask them what platform they use to build their website. So for example, if it's with WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, you'll have to ask them. And what you'll need to do then is you'll just need to do a simple Google search, how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress or on Wix or Shopify, and it gives you a simple step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. So you can see, for example, here, bkpphysio.com. If I go /WP, which stands for WordPress-admin, I can see that this website takes me to the WordPress login section, and this tells me that this website was made with WordPress. So what you'll need to do is you will need to go and do a Google search, how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress, and you will see a simple video on how you can do that. And it's super simple, and it will probably take you 2 or 3 minutes to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a retargeted and professional advert for these businesses, so that essentially you can earn more money through this method, as the businesses that you're providing retargeted ads for are getting more sales. And the website that I'm going to help you with, or the free tool that I'm going to provide you with, is called pexels.com, which is a free stock image place, and you want to find images based on around the niche you've searched. So for example, physiotherapy, and see if anything comes up. And you can see there are some awesome images here that you can use for advertising with regards to physiotherapy. And you want to choose an image that looks pretty attractive, or anything that's got to do within your niche that looks professional. You can either search on pexels.com or do a plain Google search, and I found quite a nice image on Google that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this image for the retargeted ad. And you want to save the specific image to your computer, your local computer, and you want to head over to a website called canva.com, where we are going to construct these professional retargeted ads for this business. And on the homepage of canva.com, you want to choose the social media options, 800 by 800 pixels. So open that up in a new tab when you click on it, and you will see over on the Elements tab, there's a whole bunch of pictures that you can use. There's also some photos that you can use. And if you hover over to the Elements tab, you will see there is a grid. You want to bring a standard grid that will cover this 800 by 800 pixel section. And then we'll hover over Uploads, and you'll see there's an Upload Image button. You want to click on that and choose the image that you have downloaded on your computer. And I'm going to add this picture to my retargeted ad. And this is your simple retargeted ad. As I say, you don't need anything crazy, anything hectic. Something as simple as this will present a powerful message and retargeted ad to the viewers that are viewing these businesses' websites. And the thing that is going to get the people is the actual copyright, the text of the retargeted ad, not really the picture. And what you want to do is you want to come to the Facebook Business Ad Manager, where you can create a retargeted ad for this business, whether it's on their Facebook account, so you'll have to talk to them about this, or if it's on your own Facebook account. It really doesn't matter where or what account you run these Facebook ads on. If you have your own Facebook business account, you can use that as well. And once you are in your Facebook ads account, you want to go to the campaigns tab and you want to click create. And what you can do is for the campaign name is retargeting, or the business name, Brooklyn Physio. You can then click save to draft and you will see this campaign has been created for you on the left. And what you're going to do is once you have the Facebook pixel installed, you can create a custom audience for the specific people that have visited the website. And you'll see underneath the ad sets tabs, you will see the name of your ad set, and you want to click on the view charts button where it will pop up with the different charts. You can click on the left tab here, untitled ad set, that's just the name of this ad set, and you will see there is traffic, dynamic, creative, offer, the budget and schedule, your audience, and this is where it's important. And you'll see under the audience tab there is a custom audiences section, and what you want to do is you want to click this, and the Facebook pixel that you've installed on the website will provide you with an ID that you will add over here, and these adverts will then be retargeted or aimed at the specific people that view the specific business's website. So for example, if they come to this physio website and you run the retargeting ad here, that means this specific ad will only be presented to the specific people on Facebook that have viewed this web page. And this is who you want to target. You want to target the people that have already viewed this business that you convert into potential sales and earn money from this. And what you can further do is you can switch the locations to people who live in this location, and you can go ahead and do this more specifically. So you can go New York. I'm just using New York in this example. You must use whatever location or business you've searched. Just use that specific location. So this means this retargeted ad is going to target anybody that went onto their website and that is within New York City. And this is exactly what you want, because you obviously don't want to retarget these adverts to people that are not near this physiotherapy or dentistry, for example, because that just doesn't make sense. So you want to retarget your ad to people that view this website in the specific city. And you can leave the age and gender as is how it is, because you already know these people that have viewed the website are interested. Doesn't matter what age or gender they are or what language they speak, so you can just leave this as it is. And then if you come down to placements, you want to choose edit placements, and we are going to do plain and simple Facebook feed. So you want to uncheck everything except Facebook feeds, and the reason being because a Facebook feed is extremely simple. It's what most people view on Facebook, and you can actually also leave Instagram feed as well. It's just people generally use Instagram as well, and it's a better way to get the advert out there and essentially retargets more of these people that have viewed this website. So you can leave Instagram feed on as well. And what you can do is you want to scroll up to the budget and schedule, and you can see there is a daily and lifetime budget. You want to start off pretty cheap. So for example, 200 Rand in my country is about $11. So I'm going to keep this at 200 Rand, which is a good amount to start up with. And remember, this money is not coming out of your own pocket. This money is coming from the business that you have messaged or already spoken to. As I say, this money is not coming out of your pocket. So either you're going to have the business pay you up front, you can have a monthly budget or a monthly subscription for the business. You can set this up via PayPal. But what I do recommend is actually using the business's credit card or payment information through their card that they pay for this advert directly, instead of having to set up a monthly subscription. You can set up a monthly subscription. So for example, they send you $200 a month and you run these monthly ads for them. And if the adverts are doing well, you can obviously increase the budget from there. And once you've set up this ad set, what you want to do is you want to hover over the little three dots on the right of your screen. You want to click create ad, and it will create another little ad within this ad set. And here you want to choose this image that you've created in canva.com. So I'm quickly going to download this image. So I'm going to upload this image to the business Facebook. So once that picture has been uploaded to your Facebook business ad, you can see a little preview of what the advert will look like, which is looking pretty professional. So once this image has been added, now we're going to add the copy, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can add to make this retargeted ad very professional. And you can say something along the lines, hey, we saw you were interested in our physiotherapy. We would love to get to know you and would love to give you a free massage. So what you want to do is you want to offer them something free, a free coupon, a free discount, or whatever it may be, to get them to come to the actual physiotherapy in the specific city, where you can convert them into a sale or for a catch up or a new book session that they might book, or whatever it may be. And this is a great way to actually get people in the door of the business. What you want to do is you want to put the website URL of the business. I'm just going to use this one, for example, the Brooklyn Physiotherapy. If you come back to the ad manager, you can paste that URL in the website URL section, and you'll see as soon as they click on this retargeted ad, you will see they've got their number, email that they can call, another location, the address, another email, and the actual address and location of this business, so they will know exactly who to contact and where to go to get to the specific physiotherapy. And then you can also add to the copy, call our number to claim your free massage. So as I say, this is a great way of getting this client to contact the business and getting this client through the door of the specific physiotherapy. And for the headline, you can put free physio massage, and you can put the call to action, for example, book now, which is a good one to book your free massage. And you can see on the right of the screen, this is exactly how the advert would look. Hey, we saw you were interested in our physiotherapy. We would love to get to know you and would love to give you a free massage. Call our number to claim your free massage, and you'll see lower down on this advert, it's got a free physio massage, doctor of physical therapy board certified clinical, so the title of the website, and a book now button, which will lead the customer to the contact section or the specific website where they can book their free massage and essentially walk through the door of the business, where the business will get a sale. So I think this is a fantastic method. I know it's a long video, but it is so worth it. It is a great way to make money online through Facebook retargeted ads. It's something I definitely want to do as well, and definitely try out, is Facebook retargeting. And you basically can set up an account on PayPal where you can put businesses on subscriptions. For example, the business pays you $200 a month, you run Facebook targeted ads for them, you keep a bit of profit and markup, and you make passive income or income from running simple retargeted ads for these businesses all around the world, and you create them here on your Facebook account. The best thing is you can run this off your phone or laptop. You don't need any money or experience to get started, as I've showed you in this video, the step-by-step process how you can do this. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to leave a like down below, comment down below what you think of the strategy. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and subscribe to receive some awesome content like this, how you can build businesses online, make money online, and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow.